He's talking. He's chatting. Oh, that bird left. The one that was trying to get on the balcony. And I was talking to him. And I said, are you protecting me? What are you doing? Did you see me down there at my car? And then he just started moving back and forth, and he's just been staring in here over and over again. Hey! And I ain't gonna lie, I was really trying to look to make sure that he was an actual bird. Because you don't know, man. But it's a bird. Because, you know, people use, what are those things now called that they use? Those flying contraptions, you know, Sunny. I can't think of them. But the flying contraption things, if anyone sees this, tell me what the flying contraptions are. Were they video things? I haven't had coffee this morning. But anyway, he's not talking now. Hey, Toodle-oo, good morning. So he's been here now, or she, I don't know. I'm big into Mot. And Mot is the Egyptian goddess who is connected to birds. And I've been thinking a lot about birds because he was here yesterday. So, and he's been here now, I swear, a half an hour, just there. I went down, I got my, or she, I went down and got my coffee, got my thing, and he's just been sitting here. And I don't see any other birds on any other balconies. I don't know. Okay. And there must be another bird that was down here, because he doesn't like for other birds, or she. This is like his place. He just booted him off, or she. Now he's looking in there. Oh, he just pooped. Because there's a lady in there. So let's see if he comes back. There's Ocean.